How to update the firmware directly on the XL3 Acoustic Analyzer. Go to the menu via the hamburger symbol in the upper left corner and click on the Settings symbol. Choose the item About this device and find the information about the current firmware version on the page. If a new firmware is available, you will be able to download it. After the download, the XL3 sound level meter will validate the new firmware. You will now be able to install the new version. Click Install Now. The device will install and perform a restart. The new version will be displayed in About this device.